There's a Sword Mack Granite rigid with Elliot Fuel and lube body service truck. It's 1/50th scale. I got it from DHS Diecast deal of the day for $109.95. They're usually $199.95, so it's a pretty good deal. I've always wanted one for a few years now. Just didn't want to spend $200 on it. But it has metal bumper on the front. It has a nice hood ornament, Mack hood ornament on it. Try to get the camera focus. It's pretty cool. The steering it locks into position. It's good, straight. It locks in 4 different, it's got that position, that one, it's straight, that way, and one more. But when you have it turned all the way over, it won't turn right. It hits the fender well. The hood opens. You can see the grill stays on there. Got a really nice engine in it. I put Maxim decals on it. This is your battery box. It always open. This thing always falls off. About to glue it on. Your cab doors open. You can see the cab's really detailed, painted, the door panels. It's really nice. All these little compartment doors open. Just shelves. Oh, yeah. You can see it's just shelves. That door came off because that bottom plate came loose. The glue can fix that. This little ladder can flip up for when you start driving it. It's metal. Has a nice little fire extinguisher. See all the decals on it. They're really nice. And these doors open. Some more storage. I don't know what that is. Compressor. I guess this is all your grease and lube, whatever. There's rubber mud flaps on it. This is probably my favorite part about the model. This back door rolls up and it's really smooth. And it has all your hoses and lines and stuff in it. You can't take them out or anything. Like, you can't reel them out. Would be nice, but it'd probably be too hard to turn it and reel it back up. But it looks really nice. Be nice if one of them came out or something. You just close it back. And this little door opens up here. The battery cover keeps falling off. Gets on my nerves. There's the underside. It's really nice. Personally, I don't know why they would put so much detail underneath of it, because you don't really see it. I would rather them put more detail someplace else rather than under it. But that's just me. It's a great model. I'm glad I got it. I want the mechanic's truck next, if it comes on the deal of the day. Hoping it does. That's pretty much it.